What's up everyone and welcome back to Dom Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to create a fully editable text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, first thing is first, on my Illustrator canvas, I already have some text written. Now let's swap the font. I'm using a font called Brunson, which I downloaded from DaFont.com. I'll leave the download link in the description, so no hunting around like it's a side quest. Since this effect is fully editable, let's actually change the text. I'm going to type Barcelona, a place I recently visited and absolutely loved. Now the magic starts. Go up to Window, Appearance, and open the Appearance panel. If you're not using this panel yet, you're about to. With the text selected, click the hamburger menu in the Appearance panel and choose Add New Fill. Do this twice. Select the top fill and change the color to a bright yellow, or any color you like. Select the black fill underneath and click Effects, Path, Offset Path. I'll set the offset to 10 pixels and change the joins to round. Now with that same fill selected, go to FX, Distort and Transform, Transform. Here are the settings. Horizontal scale of 99.5%, vertical move at 0.5%, copies between 40 and 50. Click OK to confirm. You should start seeing that stacked shadow-like effect coming together. Let's now duplicate that black fill. Change the color to a nice beige. Now double-click Offset Path and increase it to 30 pixels. Duplicate that fill one more time. This time, I'll make it bright pink, because why not? Open Offset Path again and set it to 50 pixels. To give this a little extra personality, let's warp the whole thing. Go to Effects, Warp, Arc Lower. This bends the bottom of the text while keeping the top mostly untouched. I'll set the bend to around 10%, but tweak it until it feels right for you. The final touch is the sticker look. With the text selected, go to FX, Stylize, and Drop Shadow. My settings are opacity of 90%, and keep the blur low so there's no foggy shadows here. And just like that, we've created a fully editable text effect. You can change the text to anything you like Paris, London, New York. You can also change the colors anytime by simply editing the fills in the Appearance panel. And that's how you easily create editable text effect in Adobe Illustrator. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments, drop a like, and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great one. Cheers, everyone.